What if I told you that your Beforepay app might be showing you a $600 limit, even if you've never borrowed that much, or perhaps never even used the service at all? It's a question that pops up surprisingly often, and if you're scratching your head wondering why you have $600 on Beforepay, you're in the right place. Let's unpack this. Beforepay is designed to give you early access to your earned wages. It's a fantastic tool for bridging the gap between paydays, helping you manage unexpected expenses, or simply giving you a bit of financial breathing room. But unlike traditional loans or credit cards, Beforepay assesses your eligibility based on your income and spending patterns. They look at your regular deposits from your employer into your linked bank account to determine how much you can borrow. Now, about that $600. It's highly likely that this figure represents your maximum potential pay advance limit. Think of it as the upper ceiling of what Beforepay might be willing to offer you, based on their assessment of your financial activity. It's not necessarily money that's been deposited into your account, nor does it mean you're obligated to borrow it. It's simply the highest amount their algorithm has calculated you could be eligible for, given your financial history as seen through your linked bank account. Several factors contribute to Beforepay arriving at this maximum limit. Your regular income is paramount. If you have a consistent, verifiable income stream flowing into your account, Beforepay can more accurately predict your ability to repay in advance. The frequency and size of your paychecks play a significant role. Someone earning a higher, consistent salary is more likely to be assessed with a higher potential advance limit than someone with a regular or lower income. Beyond just your income, Beforepay's algorithms also consider your spending habits. While they don't delve into the specifics of what you spend your money on, they do look at your overall financial health. This includes things like avoiding frequent overdrafts, maintaining a healthy balance, and generally demonstrating responsible money management. If your account shows a pattern of financial stability, this can positively influence your potential advance limit. It's also worth noting that this $600 limit isn't set in stone from day one. As you use Beforepay, and as their system gains more insights into your financial behavior, this limit can fluctuate. Consistent, timely repayments of previous advances can lead to an increase in your limit over time. Conversely, if you've had difficulty repaying in the past, or if your financial situation changes significantly, your potential limit might be adjusted downwards. So, if you're seeing $600 on your Beforepay app and you're not sure why, it's a good sign. It means Beforepay's assessment of your financial data suggests you're a good candidate for their service, and that this is the maximum amount they've pre-approved you for, should you need it. It's not a balance you owe, but rather a capacity you have. It's a readiness indicator, signaling that you have access to this amount if and when you need a financial boost before your next payday. Understanding this distinction is key to making the most of what Beforepay offers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.